do a little thing before you can put it down.
Going up. It's going up.
Baby sins.
Big staircase. This seems safe.
Who is on the other side of this door?
Hey. Who is this?
Could this be?
Touch the embraced shell.
She's slumbering, it appears. Should we check out this shell, maybe? Let's do it.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh, no, baby. You broke it.
No!
Madam, sorry about your shell.
I'm sorry about your embrace shell.
You wake up, POV, you wake up and you see baby.
See him right there.
It's bright for a baby. Baby my age.
A baby my age. This stuff's really bright. My goodness.
Where'd she go? Oh, oh. Jeez.
Ruh-roh.
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 Ruh-roh. Oh no, baby, what did you do?
What have you done?
Oh my god, the whole place. Oh, baby. That's some serious property damage.
Everything is in shambles. Before we do anything else.
We're gonna go right.
Yeah, we're gonna hang right over here. Yeah, just give me in along this wall. Right here.
What's that? Right here?
Right here. Nah, I'm just playing. Right here. Okay, I'll be serious. It's down a little farther, but it's like right about here.
I'm gonna run out there. Oh, that's evil. That actually was too far. I went too far.
I went too far.
But who
Right,
is that?
right here. Don't worry about it.
They're moving.
They're shimmying.
Maybe we can help them. So what are all these buildings? Have we been to
So-
any of these?
I don't think we've been to any of them, but they are like parts of the Ring City that have been absolutely clobbered after we broke the shell.
No. Gosh, we screwed up.
We really messed this one up. Clumsy paws, man.
Oh. This.
I see, there's a little dungeon in here. I get it now.
I understand.
I understand.
I've searched for thee, dark, stricken creature. I am Shira, daughter of the Duke, descendant of gods, and trusted friend to Medea. At once,
Oh.
I am the honor of the gods, the glory of fire, and the fear of the dark. Thou shalt not be punished.
Disgusting.
Thy
Keep going.
profanity
Keep going.
and thy
Yeah.
shameless
What were you?
yearning.
Yeah.
What are you on about?
Oh,
I'm.
that, oh.
Those freaks will gang up on you. I mean, 2 against 1? That's not a fair fight. Am I right?
Hold on. Yeah, it won't let me. I have to bow for that one. That was truly an epic display.
That was gross.
The crucifix of the Mad King. They weren't
Yes.
even finished saying their dialogue. I'm horrible.
Just executed them.
Now,
Public execution in the sandy dunes.
I immediately go, now.
So
Where were we?
now, where were we? Well, that was our little secret surprise down here.
I got presents. Why did I say it like that? I got presents.
I have goodies. Oh my goodness. Is it Christmas? I feel spoiled. I feel so spoiled that I just knocked out my earbud when I went to get to my menu. Because funny enough, I also have presents.
So, you think? I don't know if this is the right place, but maybe a toast. Finally.
I think this is the right place for a
sick
toast.
brew, a sick brew.
A
We'll have to
sick
go. We
brew.
should get on level ground.
Oh my gosh, I just looked up and there's so many goodies. I need to like actually remember how to drop these real quick. I have so many treasures.
Yes. Yes. Watch this. Hey, rat. Watch this. Hold on. Watch this. Oh, come on, I'm messing this up.
Yes! How about this?
Yes.
Yes!
Oh. Yes.
Yes! The greatest gift of all. Yes! What? Okay, so here's the thing. I bought
Here was the
something. I bought something and I forgot what it was. I remember what I bought now. It took me a minute.
We're gonna have to review on that one. Undead Hunter Charm. What's this do?
If you throw it at somebody, yeah. If you throw it at like an invader, they can't use Estus for a while.
How much are those?
They're 1,000 apiece.
I'm gonna ball out on those. That might be even better than a firebomb.
We could eat it up with those.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably cash out on those. Stop.
You're not ready for the last
And
one.
another dung pie. I
Yes!
can't wait for you to see that picture of the like it says like 1 dung pie and then 4 dung pies. But it's so funny. I'll upload it later. That's the
It's so good.
Yes.
Yes. It's time for a toast. A toast to my brother. Oh, this is perfect. Right in here.
Right in the archway.
Right in the arch.
Alright, let's see here. I don't know how they work. We've never used one.
Let's see, I'm gonna put them in my hotbar
Your hotbar, okay, let me do
so I
that
can
too.
use it quickly.
And I will do that too. And so I can use it quickly.
I can use it quickly and effectively.
You ready?
Here we go.
On win.
3, 2, 1, win. Cheers!
It's just an Estus? Yeah, I thought we were gonna do all this. Yeah, there we go. Yes.
to our adventure.
I go, it's an Estus.
It's
What?
an
But we're like
Estus?
glowing though.
It, what does it do? It, like, restores health and also boosts your frost resistance.
Okay, yeah. Oh, sweet. We got a nice brew.
A brew. A Sig brew. What do you think Sig brew tastes like?
That's a really good question. I don't know. It's like
Mugs root beer? It's got bite.
the quote on that. Well, it's Barks, but no, that's it. That's it. Mug root beer. It has bite.
It's got bite. US has got bite in it, right?
This house. We have good old-fashioned values. We drink mug root beer. I have a feeling it's gonna be. Oh, I thought it was like all gonna be different when we came back.
It's all completely different.
Everything. When I come back, everything's gonna be repaired. Everything. Nothing
Everything's
happened.
gonna be okay.
I didn't do anything, actually. Now do we go
Everything's
talk to
fine.
this person?
Yeah, we can go talk
Should
to
we
him
go,
now.
like, I kind of want to like just go like look out here. Can we go do that?
I would talk to the person
Oh,
first.
okay. I just wanted to go explore.
Oh yeah, we'll be exploring these lovely dunes. Don't you worry.
Filianor, help me, please. The Red Hood is come to eat us. To
What?
eat our dark soul.
To eat our dark soul. Hey. Where you going? We're gonna trap him.
Trap him. Wait. Can you walk through this? Halted.
Yes. Oh no. Hold on. Shoot. I gotta change out my thing. Well, what's it?
Yes.
He ain't
Crap.
going nowhere. Oh my god, he's getting away. Where will he go if you just let him?
He'll just shimmy on up, and then do his thing up there.
Do his thing. What if I
He
hit
makes
him?
he makes his grand escape. I mean, you can hit him if you want.
No. He's
You
on
can give him
the
like a
journey.
love tap, but he's on his way.
I'm not gonna hurt him.
He's protecting his dark soul.
We're journeying. We should have like walk like an Egyptian playing. We're like going through the desert. It's like part 3.
Where's Iggy?
Yeah, we're really. I think that's Frank. Frank is Iggy.
Frank is Iggy. They're even the same color. That's actually unreal. Frank is definitely Iggy.
Oh, I see. This is that guy's trail.
He's been journeying a long ways.
He was over here. I wonder, like, what's like up here? What is this? Who is this?
What is going on here?
Oh. Hey yo,
Yo.
brother got that dumpy.
What? Still here? Hand it over, that thing, your dark soul,
Uh,
for my lady's painting.
Is this the guy that kicked us in the... What? Dude, I'm not ready. What?
It's Gale!
I know! I was gonna say it's the dude! It's the guy that kicked us in the painting!
Take the plunge.
Alright, Gale.
He's got speed. Alright, Uncle. Showdown time.
Oh, he's got like a big old hole. He's got a ring.
Maybe that's where he keeps the snacks.
Skittles.
Let me have some.
You alright?
Oh, good.
Gosh, this guy like, takes a lot of hits. Well,
You would.
it technically worked.
Good distraction. Get back here.
Oh, we got him good.
Got him
Reach in,
good.
Grab those Skittles.
Is this the blood
Oh,
You're not ready for this next line.
of the dark soul?
the blood of the dark soul.
Yes!
This theme.
This is where one of my favorite themes comes in.
Oh. You doing alright?
All good.
I shouldn't have done that. I'm not gonna do that. I was trying to save my man. Whoa!
The repeating crossbow!
That thing is. Whoa!
Gosh, I love the skulls and the like shadow of his cape.
Yeah. Trick.
Trying to lure us in.
What the hell? Get away from me! Holy crap! Hey, back here. The lightning.
Such a cool fight. Oh my gosh.
My gosh, the lightning's scary. I'm getting struck. Oh, it's not looking good.
No, we got this. We got
I'm
this.
out. I'm out. Use these. Alright, that's all she wrote. Let's play smart. Except, it's for me. You're doing just fine. It's fake. He's a phony.
Trying to fake me out like that? Oh, I got struck by lightning.
No!
Get over here. No, Uncle, get back here.
Jesus. No!
Uncle!
Gale! Oh, that was cool.
Oh man, I love that so much. Is this the blood? Big dragon. He's like, I know who the host of this world is. Uncle Gale? you can trick a rat and a baby. You're all good. Mississippi. I'm not gonna lie, I have the game ranked up so loud, I could like barely hear what you're saying. The music is like... What do you want me to say? You're so funny, you should try stand up. What was that? Honestly, I would do whatever works best for you. Fighting them solo, I usually go in the open, but I would do whatever like works best. Gale and I have a play date over here. The orbs are so scary. So much lightning here too. Get back here, Gale. Gale's foolery. I may be stupid, but I'm no idiot. Yeah, it's a lot easier to dodge, and I feel like he's more predictable if he's out in the open. Double whip. Here we go. This is it. Yes. 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 Gale has been taken down. I think it's a signature of a Gale's fight. You have to do that at least once. You know it. This is the conference room.